Hello, wonderful kids! Welcome to our reading adventures. In this video, we will learn to spell and read number words from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Come spell and read with me. Repeat after me. 1. O N E 1. Let's read the sentence. There is one fish in the aquarium. There is one fish in the aquarium. 2. T W O 2. Read the words after me. There are 2 crabs on the shore. There are 2 crabs on the shore. 3. T H R E E 3. Let's see the word in the sentence. 3 monkeys are on the tree. 3 monks are on the tree. 4 F O U R 4. Read the words after me. There are 4 ducks in the pond. There are 4 ducks in the pond. 5 F I V E 5. Let's use 5 in the sentence. 5 little bees sitting on the flowers. 5 little bees sitting on the flowers. 6 S I X 6. Let's read the sentence. There are 6 beautiful butterflies. There are 6 beautiful butterflies. 7 S E V E N 7. There are 7 students in the class. There are 7 students in the class. 8 E I G H T. Let's use 8 in a sentence. The octopus has 8 tentacles. The octopus has 8 tentacles. 9 N I N E. Read the words after me. 9 ants are marching to the anthill. 9 ants are marching to the anthill. 10 T E N. Read the words after me. Karma has 10 cute cats. Karma has 10 cute cats. Great job, children! You did it! Remember to always practice spelling and reading so you can improve your English skills. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to click like and subscribe.